How's everybody doing today? This is Patricia with Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Crafts Group. Just jumping on here to let you know that I did finish the sweater that I've been working on. And let me show it to you. I'm pretty proud of it. So here it is. I put some buttons on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. This stitch right here is the single crochet back loop only in the horizontal, and then this stitch here is the single crochet back loop only in the vertical. And the sleeves and the body are half double crochet, and I didn't put the single crochet back loop only here on the sleeves. I just felt like that'd be too much weight. This is for a 4-year-old girl, and I just felt like on the sleeves it would be too bulky, but I did do the color change that lines up really good. And then let me show you the back of it. There's the back of it. This, I've got the ribbing down here. And then this is the horizontal single crochet in the back loop only. I did it up to the armpit, and then I changed over the yarn and the stitch. This is half double crochet. I love this stitch. It's my favorite. So this is my first sweater that I've crocheted for a child. You know that I did not have a pattern. I had an inspiration. This was my inspiration. It's by Red Heart. It's the Fun Time cardigan. I looked at it. I looked at the pattern shapes that they had on the instructions. Now I had measured my granddaughter the last time that I was with her, so I knew, about how long to make the sleeves, how long to make the body. She doesn't like things high up on her neck, so I just kept a low neckline for her. And I'm excited to see her in this. She's seen pictures of it, and she has said, that she loves it. She thinks, she's real happy with it. I took it to crochet group today, and I was showing it to them. Now, these are experienced crochet women that I was with, and they were like, oh, that's so good. I just, thanked them for their kindness. And now these women have been crocheting a long time, and I couldn't do that. And I'm here to say that yes, you can. I just got tired of making afghans and blankets. If that's your thing to do, then, that is your thing to do. Afghans and blankets just got old for me. I like to change things up. So I'm here to say that if you look at this and you can crochet, you can do this. I mean, I haven't crocheted in 3 years. And then before that, I hadn't crocheted in a decade. So, yes, you can. When you look at a project, don't say, I can't do it. Because, yes, you can. Just have it set in your mind that you can do something that you think you can't do, whether it's crochet or any other kind of activity. You can do it. Just, know that it's in you. You have the skill. You have to believe in yourself. And when you have that attitude, anything and all things are possible. So, that's the video of the day. The next project that I'm going to have is going to be a sweater for my 18-month-old granddaughter. There we go, that's much better. It's going to be just about the same colors. It's going to have the same multicolor, but it's going to have this solid color yarn. So the next sweater that I'm going to make is going to be the multicolor pink, white, and purple. This is Hirschner's Worsted 8. And then where the pink is on this sweater, here it's going to be purple. So those are the two colors that the next sweater will be. I'm going to do my best to crochet it in on the video. This is something new for me, so I'm really, going to try to crochet the sweater on the video. And if you want to, you can crochet along with me. I'm going to be crocheting in the size 2T. It's going to be this body shape, the Fun Time cardigan, but of course I'm going to have my own revisions to it. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and y'all have a great day. Take care.